You're looking for a story or perspective that might discourage someone from masturbating, possibly drawing from Stoic philosophy. While Stoicism does advocate for self-control and moderation, it's important to remember that Stoic teachings emphasize rationality, virtue, and living in accordance with nature. However, I can offer you a perspective from Stoic philosophy that might provide insight into self-control and moderation. Imagine a Stoic sage, someone who has attained wisdom and lives in accordance with virtue. Such a person would have mastered their desires and impulses, understanding that true freedom comes from self-control. They would recognize that indulging in excessive or compulsive behaviors, like frequent masturbation, can lead to a lack of self-discipline and inner peace. In Stoicism, the goal is to live a life of virtue, guided by reason and moral goodness. Excessive indulgence in any pleasure can disrupt this balance and lead to dissatisfaction and weakness of character. So, rather than focusing on fear-based tactics or shame, Stoicism encourages individuals to cultivate self-awareness, discipline, and a sense of purpose. By aligning one's actions with reason and virtue, one can experience true fulfillment and inner tranquility. Ultimately, the decision to masturbate or not is a personal one, but Stoic philosophy suggests that moderation and self-control are essential for leading a virtuous and fulfilling life.